Good morning, friends, and good morning, students. Now I am introduction for all of students. Myself, Pratik Velilawala. My education qualification is MCom first class, MPhil in accountancy, and PhD work continues in accountancy and commerce subject. Total experience, I have been teaching since 2004 in education field. I have been teaching in a visiting lecturer in a various college as above Zadensa Arts Commerce and College, second Navyu Commerce College, third Sir K.P. College of Commerce, and fourth R.V. Patel College of Commerce. And I have been teaching assistant teacher in now presenting Saraswati Vidyalaya and Sunlight Vidyalaya. Saraswati Vidyalaya in Udna, near at the South Zone, and Sunlight Vidyalaya is Sachin. And I have been teaching in adults schools in a visiting faculty, part-time teacher visiting faculty. As about that, Pragati Vidyalaya, NM Javeri High School, Sir JJ High School, MJ Singapuri High School, Navchetan Vidyalaya, and Sunshine School. And I have been teaching various classes as about the Sunshine classes and other private tuition class. My career started in teaching live since 2004. So now it's my education qualification and experience of the educations for teaching to students. My classes have been teaching. I have been teaching starting in my classes Home Study Care Group Tuition class since 2004. Main branch 4/3885A Krishna Nivas, first floor, opposite Ramji Temple, Ativalia, Begumpura, Surat. And after now 3 years, I have been teaching a new branch, C171, Nandanvan Township, Navagam, Dindoli, Udna. My contact number 93271666180, second 4x7 913190. And in our classes, standard 1 to 10 all subjects, 11, 12 commerce sections, and FY BCom to MCom tuition are available in our tuition class. And standard 1 to 7 English medium classes have been available in our class. Standard 11, 12 accountancy and commerce English medium classes available, and FY BCom to MCom accountancy and statistics tuition class English medium are available in our class. So students, in our classes the both medium, Gujarati medium and English medium, are studied. So all of students, have you remind that in our class is a personal tuition class. Limited students are studying in our classes. 15 or 20 students in every batches in our class, limited seat. So all of the students standard 10 and 12 are to hurry up admission to in our classes. Because of them now lockdown situation, so that we have started to online teaching in YouTube. Every students seen our ID WhatsApp and Facebook. We are giving two demo lectures in Facebook and YouTube and WhatsApp. So all of students, you must remain there. Now today we have starting the 12 commerce classes, subject statistic, chapter number 1, index number are introduced to you. So all of students must confirm that websites and YouTube, your channel, our channel, you see and subscribe that, and I will get the notifications and new message for all of your students. And in vacation days we have teaching spoken English classes, special maths classes, and standard 12 students accountancy and statistic for a personal tuition. So students, if you requirement for a personal tuitions home based, so you contact me. My contact number is given here. Standard 10 to 12, yeah, F5 become to MCOM. I have teaching to group tuitions. But the group tuition in a condition first that minimum 5 students to 10 students is requirement for a group tuition. So students, you must requirement. Have you requirement? I will fulfill your study and I have fulfilled your conditions. All of students, seen my biodata, my experience, my classes, my contact number. You seen that, and you are getting to my experience, my teachings, and my education fields, my experience is given to know that I have been teaching in various classes, various schools, and various colleges. So they are giving students to give a fundamental knowledge. That's not a shortly knowledge. Fundamental knowledge. What is the meaning of the fundamental knowledge? So in standard 11 accountancy, you must give me the knowledge for the capital accounts, drawing accounts, final accounts. If you requirement accountancy to know in the fundamental knowledge, so you contact me and I will give to the fundamental knowledge. So students, today my sessions is complete now. Good morning all of students and good morning friends. You will see my channels and subscribe that, and notification you will get in short time. Okay, thank you for all of you students.